What's the scene, Island fam? Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. And today is going to be a really short one because it's just a bunch of clips that I have that I smushed together because I'm making pholourie. So I hope you guys enjoy. So we picked the mango from the tree in the backyard and now we're just cutting it up, chop to make it into smaller pieces so that I can make the curry mango sauce to go with our pholourie. So after it's done cut up, we wash it and get it all clean because we're not putting dirty mango in the pot, and we scald it with hot water and salt. Yep, now it's in the pot. I did not get to record the process of me making the curry mango, but this is it in the pot, all cooking down and getting all good and juicy with all the flavors and the curry and the sugar and the pepper and the shadow benny and seasonings and all of that good stuff. Next, I'm mixing up my pholourie mix. Y'all, I do not know how to make pholourie from scratch. I'm real sorry. So I bought the pholourie mix in the grocery. If y'all remember my monthly grocery haul, y'all, so I bought 2 packs of pholourie mix. I'm just mixing it up and making sure there is no lumps. Now, it's in the pot for frying. Excuse the shape, all I is not no professional pholourie maker, right? So excuse the weird shapes of my pholourie. My children like it, we eat it, and we enjoy it, right? So this is it frying up, and this is the end result of my curry mango and pholourie. Hope you guys like this really quick, really short vlog, and I will see you guys next time on the island. Bye bye.